Hey guys, I'm Vicious. Today I'm gonna show you the new product from Triple Gear. It triggers the menu button every 2 or 3 seconds. It's like a mechanical trick to keep your autopilot engaged. So there are 2 different modules for different cars. This one with more parts is for 2021 and after 3YSX, which has the cabin camera. And another one, very simple, just like this, is for 2020 and before Model S and X. Come with simple tools to install it. So this is the QR code come with the product, which links to the video you are watching right now. Oh wait, how could I get the video link before I upload the video to YouTube? Which I'm shooting right now. So this is the one I'm gonna show you how to install it in this video. And this car is a 2017 Model X. This is the perfect demonstration car for this video. I've changed the Yoke steering wheel with it for almost 2 years. So the 2 versions here, this is for older S and X, and this is for newer 3Y S and X. This looks have more parts, but this actually is easier to install because this one you need to install it inside the steering wheel. So we need to take out the airbag, but it's not difficult at all. Let me show you how to do it with this single tool. This is the hex screwdriver, 4mm, come with the product. So there are 2 screws at the back of the steering wheel. One here and another side, exactly the same. So the easy way to operate with the screw from my experience, you just activate the car by pressing the brake, so unlock the steering wheel. You just turn it like this. Push in, you will feel the screw and just lose it. Yeah. And same for the other side. Here. That's it. You can pull from here. I'm always using my fingers. The upper part and lower part you pull together. Just like that. Same as the other side. Pull the lower part. So when you open it, you take out the 2 plugs. If you have a heated steering wheel, there's 1 more plug. Push these 2 pins up and down and wiggle it. So the airbag is off. You don't need to turn off the car. Look, this is the airbag with the control buttons. We're gonna install it behind the left control buttons. So this is the left one. When you flip it over, there are 2, a bigger one and a smaller one. We just take off the bigger one, press here, press and take it out. Just like that. And it reveals there is a smaller one here. So we take it out. Just like that. When you see from the side, there is 1 plastic clips holding the cable. Wiggle, 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 and put it out. Make it free. The thing we are doing is put this module in between this cable and the plug. This side we plug onto the bottom of the module. Another side to the control buttons. Boom. I recommend you tuck this thing just behind the airbag. Just put it inside. Oh, nice. We even see the logo here. So we put the bigger plug back here. Just push it in. Just tuck around here. So the 2 plugs go back in. 1 and 2. When you plug it back, this will work. To activate it, double-click the left roller. When you hear beep, it means on. Beep beep means off. Let's put everything back. Always put these 2 pins in first. Okay, when they are in, push the side and the other side. Okay, and these 2 corners push, and at the end, the bottom. Boom. Then you screw it back. And if you want to have a quality Yoke steering wheel just like mine, also from Triple Gear, links in the description. Look, I'm not touching the steering wheel, so the module just clicks this menu button once in a random 2 or 3 seconds. Look here. So when you drive on the freeway, the car always asks you to touch the steering wheel. So you can do that by touching and give a force to the steering wheel, or touch any button of that. That cancels the prompt. Yeah, let's go take a test. You can keep the module on no matter you are using autopilot or not. It just simply clicks the button, doesn't harm your car at all. It triggers the menu button every 2 or 3 seconds. It's like a mechanical trick to keep your autopilot engaged. It is the best for basic autopilot without lane changing. I'll show you what I mean on the freeway. So when the enhanced autopilot or FSD wants to change lane, it will turn on the turning signal. And then there is a prompt gonna come out to ask you to hold the steering wheel. The prompt before lane change is very strong. The menu button is not very stable to cancel it. Here you can see it takes only one time of menu click to cancel the prompt. But sometimes it takes 2, 3, or even 4 times of menu clicks to make the prompt disappear and start the lane change. So when lane change is coming soon, you can wait for it to cancel the prompt, or just put your hand on the wheel for a second to cancel the prompt and start the lane change instantly. I had the counterweight on the steering wheel before, but it only works for 10 minutes and the car will strike you out from the autopilot. That's why I'm having this product right now. I only recommend the product that I personally love. It's different from the Yoke steering wheel. This is the part you're looking at the most on your car. You look at it, you're happy with it. But the autopilot module really frees you from a long drive, especially like over an hour drive.